The Pages module allows you to create advanced, rich content documents directly within your GoodDay workspace. Whether you're organizing information, building a knowledge base, or collaborating on documentation, Pages provide the flexibility to structure content in a way that meets your specific needs. GoodDay offers two versatile ways to work with Pages: as structure elements, where they become part of your project's hierarchy, or as a project view embedded within existing folders and projects. To create a new page within the project hierarchy, hover over an existing project or the New Project button, click Add, select Page, and enter the page name. Another way to create a new page is by using the Quick Add feature. GoodDay enables you to create flexible, organized page hierarchies with unlimited subpage levels. This gives you the freedom to structure your work exactly how you need, making it easy to navigate and manage your content efficiently. Within the project hierarchy, pages function just like projects and folders. You can archive pages, move them within the project structure, change their icon and color, add custom fields, and much more. To add a page as a view to an existing project, simply click Add and choose Page from the menu. Like other views, you can name the page, set access permissions, and add as many page views as needed, allowing you to tailor your project structure to fit your workflow. The page editor includes all standard GoodDay formatting styles and features, such as adding attachments, cross-linking pages, tasks, and projects, as well as embedding views. These tools enable you to create rich, interactive content, transforming Pages into a central tool for connecting different aspects of your work. GoodDay Pages also offer various customization options, including adding a cover image, switching to a full-width layout, enabling public sharing, and more. GoodDay allows you to save any page as a template, making it easy to reuse structured content. Once saved, you can quickly create new pages from the template, ensuring consistency and saving time on recurring tasks or projects. We hope you found this tutorial useful. For more information, please visit our support center or contact us.